A McAdenville, North Carolina carpet factory will be closing its doors, with layoffs set to begin just 2 days after Christmas. Mannington Mills is a fifth-generation family-owned business based in Salem, New Jersey, that's produced flooring products for 110 years. On its website, the company claims to have more than 3,500 associates and multiple locations globally. But those figures will be shifting measurably near the end of the year, according to a WARN notice filed with 2 states. One of those filings details 296 job cuts at the McAdenville facility, a plant the company purchased from yarnmaker Pharr in 2020 when Mannington first entered the residential carpet industry. Company leaders attributed the closure to continual decline in demand and unfavorable market conditions. A report in the Charlotte Observer claims Mannington, who produces multiple flooring types including hardwood and laminate, is already exiting the residential carpet industry entirely. In fact, a LinkedIn post attributed to company CEO Tom Penley pointed to a consumer shift to resilient flooring that led to Mannington's need to reevaluate residential carpet in its portfolio. And with that strategic shift comes more bad news for workers. After buying its first carpet plant, Mannington bought 2 others in Georgia in the 2 years following. Those plants will also close, according to WARN notices filed with the state of Georgia. According to those documents, permanent closures will impact more than 210 workers across the 2 facilities in Dalton and Chatsworth, with layoffs also beginning on December 27th. The Charlotte Observer says Mannington will continue to produce carpet for commercial applications, and that related yarn processing will move from McAdenville to its facility in Calhoun, Georgia. I'm Anna Wells. This is Manufacturing Now.